Welcome to another WudPal tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how easy it is to post a new project to your store. To begin, log into your account to access your dashboard. Click on Products. Click on Add New Product. Enter the name of your project, and then select how much you want to sell your project for. Now, even though the default value in the price box is 000, and that's great if you want to give your plans away for free. However, if that's the case, you must re-enter 0.00, otherwise they won't be put into the free plans category. But I'm not going to give these away. I'm going to charge $5 for them. And I'm going to select at least one project category for the item. Now you can choose as many project categories as you like. I'm going to choose 3 of them: keepsake, home decor, and clocks, because I have a clock insert there. Now you'll notice here there's 0 cost plans. If you were to be giving your project plans away for free, then choose this as one of your categories. So it could be a keepsake, home decor, 0 cost plan, and then it becomes a free project. But again, I'm not doing that. Okay, there are other things that we could do on this page, but to keep it simple, that's the minimum amount of information it needs to create the product. The next screen you're going to see is the Edit Product screen, where there are a lot more things that we'll need to do to complete the project posting. Well, not a lot, but several things. But here you'll see the name of your project, and you will also see the price that you're charging for it and the categories that you previously entered. What we're going to do now is we're going to upload pictures and the PDF file for the project posting. The easiest way to do that is to have those pictures and the PDF file already on your desktop. Simply click the plus box here where it says Add Image, Gallery Image, and then drop and drag, hit Upload Files I should say, and then drop and drag each picture that you want to enter for your posting. Drag another one in. As it's being processed, it's a grayed out box. When it's complete, you'll see the image and the check mark, and so on and so forth. Okay, so now I've entered 5 pictures for the project post as well as the PDF plan. So when you drop and drag, the program knows the difference between an image file and a PDF file. The 5 of these are all checked. I then go to the bottom right hand corner and hit Add to Gallery. And now they show up at the bottom of what will be the feature picture. This little one here, you can't see the picture, is the PDF file. You'll notice that there is a red X as I hover over any of these pictures. Clicking while that red X is in there will delete that picture from the file. So now what we want to do is we want to upload the feature picture. So we click right here where it says Upload a Project Cover Image. It takes me back to where we were when we were uploading files. We go to the media library and we select the picture we want to be the feature picture. The program knows that and then go back to the lower right hand corner, set feature image. And there it is. Simple as that. Okay. The next thing we want to do, since these are PDF files that we're going to be uploading, we have to select the downloadable option. The next thing to do is to add a description about your project. And there are 2 ways to do that. One is a short description that goes into this dialog box here, which will be the first thing that the buyer will see when they're looking or shopping for a project. They'll see that right in the beginning where it has your feature picture, the price, and this description. Below that is another description dialog box where you can enter more detailed information about your project, and that will also show up on the posting page a little bit below that. In this case, I go on to mention that the plans include a version where the entire heart is inside the frame, and I also like to include, for some reason, the number of pages in the downloadable PDF file that they can expect to get. That moves us right into a nice segue into what we're going to do next, which is to add the PDF file under the downloadable options. Click on Add File. Give the project a name. We'll call it Clock Heart. Choose your file. Now you're going to be taken immediately back to your media library. Select the Heart PDF plan. The program already knows it's a URL file, so it will insert the file in the URL format. And there it is. Done. Next is shipping and tax. Since there is no shipping and no tax, deselect that option. The final thing to do, if you want to, is to utilize an optional purchase note. Here you can type whatever you want as a thank you to the buyer and say if you're here to help if you have any questions, or if you have a website of your own where you sell finished projects, this would be a perfect place to mention a link to that website. And that will be included in every order that is downloaded by the buyer. Now, the most important thing in all I've just told you is this button here, Save Product. If you don't hit this, everything you just did will be in vain because it won't be saved. And you'll know that it's saved because you're going to see this area here saying success, your product has been saved, and you can now go ahead and view the product and see what it looks like. Here we have it, Timeless Love, $5. The heart dish, the abbreviated version of the description. You can add it to the cart. You'll see thumbnail pictures and various ways of looking at the product. And below that is the other longer, more detailed description. And it's here that buyers can write reviews of the product, get information about you as the vendor, see what other projects you've made, and most importantly for them is if they want to make an inquiry about the project before they purchase it, they can contact you via your email address. And there you have it, a project post in no time at all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it very educational, helpful, and useful.